everyone, welcome to Academically, the best YouTube channel that talks about overseas registration opportunities for pharmacists. Do you want to get success in your first OPRA attempt? Well, the guarantee of success comes only with the robust preparation strategies and the expert guidance. And in this video, we'll guide you through a preparation strategy that will help you clear the OPRA exam in your first attempt without leaving your full-time job, and that too within 4 months of preparation. Now, seems exciting, right? Then quickly subscribe to our channel and we'll begin talking strategy now. Now, here are 4 essential tips that experts believe can help you excel in the exam. Tip 1. Dedicate adequate time to each subject. The OPRA exam focuses on 5 major content areas, which are number 1, biomedical sciences, number 2, medicinal chemistry and biopharmaceutics, number 3, pharmacokinetics and pharmacodynamics, number 4, pharmacology and toxicology, and lastly, therapeutics and patient care, with their respective percentages mentioned on the screen. So, if we keep aside the last 1 to 2 weeks for thorough revision and assessment, you must dedicate at least 3 weeks to each topic during your preparation. Also, the OPRA exam assesses your practical knowledge more than the theoretical knowledge, so keep that in your mind. Let's talk about tip 2, which is practice mock tests and sample questions. Now, mock tests and sample questions help you boost your subject preparation and overall gives an impetus to your confidence. They not only helps you in your time management, but also makes you aware of how to tackle different questions with which approach, and improves your speed, and all in all, an immersive comprehension of the question pattern. The tip number 3, which is understanding RASC methodology of testing. A very important tip for OPRA preparation is to understand the testing method itself. And the testing method for this is RASC methodology of testing. Now, this is an adaptive testing method which chooses the next question, and the correctness of the answer is based on your level of knowledge and expertise. You can learn more about the RASC methodology in our other video displayed on the screen, and to get proficient in this type of testing, do take the AI-based mock tests by Academically at our website academically.com. Now, moving on to tip 4, which is keep the last few days only for revision. The final days must be dedicated to a thorough revision of whatever you have learned and understood so far. Now, this will help you brush up your knowledge for the exam and keep your information afresh. Now, as we discussed earlier, the importance of having a mentor for your preparation is paramount to ensure success in your first attempt. Here, Academically can be your perfect partner. Academically comes with an online OPRA preparation course, which is the best in the market. It is the most cost-effective course which features international faculty, world-class study resources, mock tests, and the best and the most exclusive feature is our AI-driven grand tests. These tests help you get familiar with the RASC methodology of testing, which the OPRA exam uses. With our courses, you can prepare yourself for the OPRA exam within 4 months just by dedicating a few hours every day for the preparation. This means that you won't have to leave your full-time job to pursue your dream of moving overseas. Plus, the investment is pretty low and the returns, well, you know better about them. To explore more about our OPRA preparation courses and its amazing features, visit academically.com today. Or better, book a free counseling session with our experts to understand how our courses can turn your dream into a reality, just like it did that for hundreds of other pharmacists. In short, the key to preparing for the OPRA exam in just 4 months and ensuring success is the OPRA preparation course by Academically. Sign up today to witness the magic of experimental learning and to bear fruitful results in your overseas migration journey. Well, that's all for today. I'll see you in another video soon. Till then, take care and do not forget to like and share this video and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you. Bye-bye.